Vlogmas day. I don't even know. You saw it in the intro. I really don't know what day it is. I'm not going to say that Vlogmas has been a fail because that's not fair. We did really well for it being our first time. I know the videos haven't been posted like the day of or the day after, like they're supposed to be, but we've never been caught up on vlogs, and then my computer broke. So it's not been a fail. It's been a learning experience, and it's been fun vlogging. It's just been a weird, like, it's hard to do Vlogmas when you're just going to school and working and you don't have a social life and you don't feel like you have anything to vlog. But today I'm going to try to vlog all day because I have a day off. Josh is off until 5. Right now he's at lunch with a friend slash mentor of his, and I am about to clean this mess of a house. I feel like I shouldn't even show you, but I have to be honest with you. Also, last night we pulled the futon down and slept on it because the heat does not reach our bedroom, and I caught a cold from sleeping in the bedroom. I don't think I'm actually sick. It's just like a head cold, like I'm all stuffy, and it like dried out my mouth because I was sleeping with my mouth open. My throat got all sore. But now I'm going to clean. Our sink and counter are full of dirty dishes. The kitchen table is a mess. There's just clutter everywhere, stuff from my projects for Christmas presents. It's just a lot, and I need to clean, but before that I should probably eat something. I've stalled for as long as I can. You can already see it right there. Oh, please don't make me do it.
How deep the Father's love for us, how vast beyond all measure, that He should give His only Son to make a wretch His treasure. Is you. Yeah.
We're getting back on the what? What am I trying to say? Getting back on the horse. Really?
What?
I'm vlogging, dude.
I'm sorry. Nothing's gonna stop me getting in the way of
It's
me.
Vlogmas Day 23. I still am not 100% finished with my gifts for people. We're headed to Hobby Lobby to get stuff to wrap them in. Eating McDonald's. We just did laundry. It's all in the back. It's gonna be a great day.
Strong start.
Strong start.
At
2 p.m.
Fudge ripple!
Joshua just dropped this ice cream cone in his mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god!
That's where it hit my phone!
How was that our fault? I can't.
Because Sierra stole my cup holder!
Are you sorry?
I dropped my ice cream!
Oh.
I'm in the middle of cleaning myself.
That's the shape of his phone.
We'll come out though.
Look, your ice cream cone has a tongue.
Bleh.
The puppies have their Christmas outfits on. Evie, come here.
It looks so silly on him. Doesn't really fit very well.
Evie, come here.
You poor little baby.
Oh, now they're fighting.
She's like, I'm gonna take it off him.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you jingle.
He has
Evie.
jingle bells and a little elf hat.
Oh my god.
I don't want